Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the audience in the event, the International Conference and Exhibition on Advanced Techniques in Cosmeceuticals Medication. First of all, I remind you all present and have joined this event to comply with all the rules which we have sent via group. For the sake of the smoothness of our event together, and please pay attention to all of us. Thank you. Well, ladies and gentlemen, we're delighted to welcome all of the audience to the International Conference and Exhibition on Advanced Techniques in Cosmeceuticals Medication. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and good morning, ladies and gentlemen. The Honorable Mr. Professor Dr. Insinyur Rudi Wibowo, MS, as Postgraduate Chancellor of the University of Jember. The Honorable Mr. Dr. Insinyur Sugeng Winarso, MSI, as a lecturer at the University of Bandung. The Honorable Mr. Professor Dr. Arif Amrullah, SHM, as the Vice Chancellor of Postgraduate Program University of Jember. Welcome to the Honorable Bayu Taruna, PhD, from Pangasinan State University, Philippines. Welcome to the Honorable Professor Dr. Insinyur Khairul Anam from the University of Bandung and the audience we are proud of. Praise to be God Almighty, we were given the opportunity to gather virtually to gain knowledge together in today's conference. Well, ladies and gentlemen, first of all, I will read the schedule of our program at this conference. First, opening. Second, singing the song Indonesia Raya Anthem. Third, welcome. Fourth, delivery of material. 5, question and answer session. 6, prayer reading and closing. Well, ladies and gentlemen, we will move on the second event, which is singing the Indonesia Raya Anthem. Ting Nung, thank you. Next, we move on to the third event. Remarks will be delivered by Mr. Professor Dr. Insinyur Rudi Wibowo, MS. For Professor Dr. Insinyur Rudi Wibowo, the stage is yours. Ting Nung, thank you. For Professor Dr. Insinyur Rudi Wibowo, MS. Well, ladies and gentlemen, then we will move on the fourth event, namely the delivery of the first material, which will be delivered by Dr. Insinyur Sugeng Winarso, MSI. For Dr. Insinyur Sugeng Winarso, the stage is yours. Ting Nung, thank you. For Dr. Insinyur Sugeng Winarso, MSI. Well, ladies and gentlemen, we will move on the fifth event, which is a question and answer session. To the audience who want to ask question, please active the microphone. Ting Nung, thank you all for your participation. Well, ladies and gentlemen, before we end our event, we will enter the last event, namely the reading of prayer, which will be read by Mr. Suryadi SPD. Ting Nung, thank you for Mr. Suryadi SPD. Well, ladies and gentlemen, we have arrived at the end of the event. Thank you for the participation of the audience and presenters and who have joined. Hopefully, the knowledge that we get at this conference useful for all of us. I'm Elvianti Tandeliku, representing the committee in charge of apologizing for our mistakes and action during the event. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.